Hello friends, today we will learn how to open another workbook using VBA. So let's jump in. So we have this workbook. Now we will learn how to open another workbook from this current workbook. So to do that, for sample work, we have one workbook called this workbook.xlsx, and currently we are working in this sample book. Now let's do this. Now in this sample book XLSX, we can go to VBA editor either by clicking developer tab or basic. If you are not sure how to enable developer tab, please follow my channel and there is another video of how to enable developer tab. Go to that. Or else directly you can press Alt button from your keyboard and F11 function. Together, then it will open your directly VBA editor. Here we have one module already present, but if you don't have any module, right click on this, click on insert and module. Now we have just two lines already here, just to define and declare two variables, this one and this one. Define a variable as we already discussed earlier videos. Define a variable, first type is a procedure name, give any meaningful name, leave a convention based variable name, and define the type of variable. Lots and lots of table types available as per your requirement choice. Then that variable. Now we are declaring one more variable. Defining one more variable. Name WP other and while you are typing, if you after typing 2-3 letters, if you press Ctrl space, it will automatically appear. Now in WP other, we'll be opening another workbook. Notice carefully what to do. First, workbooks dot, once you type dot, all options functions available will appear. You select open, press tab. Here you can directly type hard code the file name, or you can use a variable. First we will using a hard coded value, later we will learn how to pass through a variable. Now for our case, we have one workbook available here. We will use the path as within quotation complete path space workbook name, as this workbook.xlsx. Now let us run this. By pressing F8 you can run line by line in debug mode. See, now we can see our another workbook is open. This is this workbook. Now same thing we will do with a variable. To do that, we will use two new variables as dim file name as string variable and file path as string variable. Inside this, we need to declare string variable file name is equal to file path is equal to. Here our file path is up to this, or if you go to your respective folder, you click on the address bar, you can have your complete file path. Type it here or paste it here. File name is the workbook name, complete name with extension. Now I have both file path and file name. I can use as file path ampersand separator ampersand file name. With this, you will be able to open the workbook. See, we run the code. Now we can see the new workbook opened. Here two more important things. Few times during your actual work, you might find certain workbooks are read-only workbooks, or few workbooks contain so many formulas and other outside links. So it gives an alert regarding that read-only and links. Here you have, once you type the file path, you have other options. You just need to enable, disable the respective option, update links, and it should be done as per the sequence: false, read only colon equals false. Again, we can run the code by pressing F5 button, or we can click run. It opened. Thank you guys for watching. Keep watching for next videos, and please like and subscribe to the channel for more interesting such videos. Thank you.